Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max release date is set to be on May 12, 2022. The mobile will be available in various of colors. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch Super Retina Xdro LED display. The display panel has an oleophobic coating, with a pixel density of 457 ppi, and 19:9 aspect ratio. The screen has support for 120 Hz refresh rate and it offers maximum brightness of 800 nits. This iPhone 15 Pro Max has a bigger notch which includes a selfie camera and couple of sensors. The iPhone 15 Pro Max runs iOS 15 out of the box. Power button is located on the right side, and at the left the volume rocker keys and alert slider is located. For security, the handset has a Face ID. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is equipped with Apple's A15 Bionic Hexa core processor which is coupled with Apple GPU, 4-core graphics. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. On the back the device features a triple camera configuration which includes a 12 megapixels wide-angle lens with f1.6 aperture plus 12 megapixels telephoto lens and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens camera. The rear camera features such PDAF and optical image stabilization support. The selfie camera of the handset is handled by a 12 megapixels lens which has an f2.3 aperture. The whole package power draws from a 4400 mAh battery with supports fast charging. In addition, this device also included these features such as wireless charging support, 5G, 4G Volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, dual SIM card slot, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, barometer, compass and gyroscope. What do you think about this phone? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell icon to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.